Okay guys, so I'm out fishing in beautiful Telluride right now on the tiny creek, the San Miguel River in town. And I've got a trout spotted right here. It looks like a little rainbow. Let's see if I can get you guys a view before I fish for it. I'm gonna see if they're biting this. And once I get this guy, then you're catching the next one in that pool right down there, because that looks way easier to fish than this. This is tight quarters fishing. It's called the bow and arrow cast. It's very effective for small streams, little nooks and crannies. Oh, he ate the bobber.
What an idiot.
Oh my god, that was a big fish. Time to put something different on. Uh-oh.
What did you do?
I got it stuck.
What is it?
It was in my retainer, the hook.
Oh, God. I was scared you were going to spit out blood. What a fish, Jacob. Really...
Oh my god, bulldog. That's
it's
good.
him.
What's up, dude? I wouldn't call him over. He doesn't look very happy.
He's homeless.
I think he is homeless. Oh, get my drink. Hi, buddy.
Hi, buddy.
Hi. Are you our hunting dog now? Leave it. Leave it.
Leave it. He's like, ugh, no sweetener.
You're going to pinch it by these two plastic things.
Why?
Because you're going to be doing a bow and arrow cast here. So what you'll do is you'll pull back, aim where you want it, and then you'll just let go. And it'll fly there. You'll see the fly will float.
Easy.
You follow the fly with the tip of your line.
Where's my bobber?
There is no bobber. The fly just sits there.
Okay.
And so you see how I'm following it with my line?
Yeah.
And then if a fish bites, you just go straight up. Okay. So down a little more. You want to point it so, yeah, there you go. Now just let go. Nice. And you see it floating right here?
Yeah.
So you follow it with the line. Oh, you're killing it. I think we might need to move. Oh, that was a good cast though.
Okay.
I mean, if there was a fish here, he would have gone for it, I feel like.
Yeah, there's no way that I can pass this up.
Yeah. I'm gonna give it a couple casts too, right here.
Oh, okay.
Just real quick.
Just to prove me wrong.
I'm gonna see if there's one further up, because you fished all the good spots for sure. Oh,
Oh, are you kidding?
one hit it.
Shut up.
I'm not even kidding. There he is. That was so cool. Yeah, little one. Little brook trout.
Go team, go team.
You gonna land it?
I don't know how to do it.
One fish good.
Aww.
Little brook trout.
How long is that pole? Like a 4-footer?
7.6. Yeah.
That's a boat. Yeah.
Little 3-weight. Beautiful brook trout. Forgot my net though. Hey, homie, stop it. Relax, relax.
Oh my god, look at its fins.
Beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous brook trout. So beautiful. Came up and sipped a little dry fly. Ooh, but good too. It wasn't coming off. Okay. You want to do the release?
Yeah.
Look at him go. Those white fins and all.
So pretty.
He's just sitting there.
Should we catch him again? See it stop?
Yep, like that. So that either means you're on the bottom or a fish ate it. That's a perfect cast, honestly. That's perfect. Let that float. Yes. Let that drift. Yep. Oh, that was a rock. So nice and slow, just swing it out. Yep, that's perfect. That's exactly where you need it. Do that a bunch of times in a row. Yep, yep, yep. Yeah, yes, yes.
What did I do?
Okay, don't bring him on the rock. Don't bring him on the rock.
Sorry.
No, you're good, you're good. He's hooked really well. So what you'll do is you'll reach down and pick him up.
He's biting me. Oh, I'm hurting him.
No, you're not. He's fine. Okay, nice.
Oh, I got him. I'm so sorry.
So you can set the rod in the water. It's fine. Now you just push that hook out. Put him in a little deeper water if you can. Hold him there.
Dude.
That was awesome. You killed it. Nice. That line out. We might not. We might just be done eating squirmies for the day. So, if you look right, oh wait, I think you can kind of see him. Yeah, that's him right off the front of that yellow rock. So, there's the yellow rock. That's the fish we're looking at. So I've got a couple nymphs tied on. We're gonna give it a few drifts and see if he's interested in those two nymphs. Real good brookie, guys. Come here, buddy. Look at that. Just an incredible brook trout there. Colors are crazy. Such a beautiful fish. I love these brook trout. So pretty. Look at the tiger marks on them. So pretty. Look at the tiger marks on them. Ooh. There it is, guys. Beautiful little brook trout. Gorgeous fish. Nice little brown. Yeah, pretty fish. They're really nice. Two casts, two trout. He goes. So good. Thanks for fishing with me. It's fun. Oh, it's getting chilly quick.